Section 4. Gamooification. Applying gamification to Moodle. In this section, we are going to take a look at why gamooification, creating resources for a gamified course, adding a profile completion badge, obtaining a profile completion badge, adding a course completion badge. Why gamooification? In this video, we are going to take a look at definition of gamification, why to use gamified courses, gamification resources, and badges. Definition of gamification. According to the Oxford Dictionary, gamification is the application of typical elements of game, playing, example, point scoring, competition with others, rules of play, to other areas of activity, typically as online marketing technique to encourage engagement with a product or service. Why to use gamification? Because games belong to a key element in children's everyday life. Everything children love doing, everything that has to do with games. Games not only comprise a set of rules, but also rewards whenever we follow those rules. Teaching and learning have to do with rules and rewards as well. So, gamification is a nice tool to embed in our courses. Our courses not only have to do with teaching and learning, but also with work. So work have to do with rewards and rules as well. What do children do in their free time? In my opinion, images are worth a million words. Gamified courses versus non-gamified courses. In the gamified course, we have gamification resources. So here are a list of things that we need or we can apply in gamified courses. Students are more attractive to rules and rewards. They need to pass to second level or to other levels. The course is much more attractive. Badges are awarded while completing the activities. A certificate is given at the end of the course. There might be a leaderboard. There might be social shares. In non-gamified courses, we don't need these resources. We don't have these resources. When we go to our Moodle course and we have a gamified course, we are going to go to the section of badges, and there we are going to see how many badges we are awarded. In this case, there is only one badge available. So, in a non-gamified course, we cannot see the badges because badges are not allowed or aren't earned.